And we're here tonight because we're helping 3 great charities here in Southern Nevada, and all of you folks that are sitting here and enjoying some of the great food and wine and drinks, that money goes directly to these 3 charities.
We have an amazing little girl, one of the after-school all-star students from Elaine Wynn Elementary. Little 6-year-old Paris is going to be modeling for us tonight, and she is just amazing.
Leslie is such an endearing child. She's excited about participating tonight. She has wonderful stage presence, and we're so proud of her.
We have Tony, who is going to be the model from AFAN, and she is an HIV-positive woman who is a part of our Project Up Front group, who goes out into the community and speaks about living with the disease, and she is a phenomenal gal.
Tonight we're in the Great Hall of Fashion Show for our 3rd annual Mingle Jingle program. We've got 3 very worthwhile charity organizations here tonight, and really it's just kind of a great way to kick off the holiday season, celebrate the charities, and give back to the community.
Luxury Las Vegas is the media sponsor for Mingle Jingle tonight. This is our 3rd year as a sponsor. It's really important that we give back to the community and be a good corporate citizen, and this is one of my favorite ways that we do it.
They're going to be treated to some great food, some great drinks. We've got a fantastic fashion show from Macy's tonight, and then we're giving away some really great handbags from a variety of our different merchants.
We're so grateful to Luxury Las Vegas and Fashion Show Mall and all of the fabulous folks who helped to put this together tonight.
Just a great mix of people wanting to help the Las Vegas community.
This time of the year, the gifts to charities are so important because we have so many needy kids and needy families in the Las Vegas community, and we really, really sincerely appreciate this amazing gift to us.